Welcome to Breaking Ties, Is Divorce the Answer? This is your go-to source for practical advice and support when considering if a divorce is the right answer for you. Join us each weekday for a quick chat where we'll uncover a variety of topics such as child custody, property division, and self-care. Together, we'll explore the emotional, financial, and legal aspects of divorce and help you find the best path forward for you and your family. Here is your host and Certified Divorce Financial Analyst professional, Mike Fulkerson.
Hello and welcome back to Breaking Ties, Is Divorce the Answer? I'm your host, Mike Fulkerson, financial advisor and certified divorce financial analyst professional. And today we're going to have one of those one-off episodes of Mike Unscripted. That's right. I don't have an outline. I don't have the agenda. I don't have the script made. It's more or less just sharing some thoughts on a topic, and hopefully you find some value in that. And today's actual topic I was thinking about is actually, relatively kind of upfront in the beginning of the divorce process, and that is, finding the right attorney for you. Okay. And so I have come to learn that there are lots and lots of divorce attorneys, and each of them have different ways of doing things, different expertises, different ways they work with clients, different communication skills, different ways of just personality, how they attack the situation, or are they more laid back? And so I really want you to think about fit. You really have to think of fit, and it's got to be more tailored towards your situation. So, for example, if you have a very challenging case or a very difficult spouse who's aggressive, you may not want an attorney who sits back and is relaxed and chill, takes their time. You may feel like you're not getting enough done, or you want someone to match or mirror your soon-to-be ex-spouse. And so you're going to want to interview a number of attorneys. How many? I don't know. I mean, you can interview 1 to 5 to 10 to 15 until you find the right one. And so it's really, though, an important aspect of the divorce process, though. I mean, if you're going to have an attorney, they've got to be the right person for you. You've got to feel confident in them, in their abilities, what they know, how they get things done. And while you don't really want to, if you feel like you have made a mistake, you can always change attorneys. You can fire them. It is you can, and you want to look up any kind of contractual issues, retainer issues, things like that. But ultimately, you can fire them and hire a new attorney who you feel is actually probably going to be your next, bat in the lineup, so to speak. So it's not like you're obligated to continue to use them as well. Like I said, one of the main components really is just your situation, finding someone who fits the situation, fits your style, what you're looking for, and at times tenacity. So I hope this does help you when you think about getting an attorney and some of the parts that do go into it. There's much more to it than that. I mean, trust your gut. Your gut's another good place to go. But in the end, having the right attorney could make all the difference in how things play out and how you feel during the process. I want to thank you for joining me on this episode of Breaking Ties, Is Divorce the Answer? Should you have any questions, I'm always happy to help. Financial planning stuff as well. You can give me a call. My contact information is always in the description for emails and calls. Divorce is not the end of your story. It is the start of your next great chapter. Have yourself a great day.
We want to thank you for listening to this episode of Breaking Ties, Is Divorce the Answer? With Mike Fulkerson. For questions, please reach out to Mike via email in the description or give him a shout at 630-444-1410. And remember to subscribe, like, and follow.